Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add SVG icon button like this in your WordPress blog using WPBakery page builder. When you click on this button, it will take you to this given link in new tab. For this, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add new. Now go to upload plugin, choose file, and I am selecting VC Super Bundle plugin. I have added link in description. You can download this plugin for free from there. Now click on install now. Wait until installing. After installation, click on activate plugin. Now you have successfully installed the super bundle for WPBakery page builder, which I have downloaded from given link. Now go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative tutorials about WPBakery and WordPress. Now go to post and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. After publishing, click on WPBakery page builder button and then click on backend editor. Now click on add element button, add heading, click on save changes and then click on plus button. Add text block and enter your content here. Click on save changes. Now click on this plus button. Go to super bundle section and select SVG icon button. Here you have to add button on and text on button. Here click on select URL, copy the URL and paste here. Now click on open link in new tab and then click on set link. Now save changes and preview the changes. Scroll down. Here you can see the button and SVG icon, heading and text widget. Now we will change this icon. For this, go back to editor, edit the widget, scroll down. Here you have choose your icon. Search your icon here and select icon from here. I'll select this one. Now you can add CSS animation. I am selecting fade in and save changes. Now preview the changes. Scroll down. It will show like there. When you click on this button, it will take you to your given link. Now go back to editor and we will change this text color. Open editor and edit the widget. Scroll down and change color to black. You can change alignment and icon alignment. Now save changes and preview again. Scroll down. Now you can see it look much better. That's how you can add SVG icon button in your WordPress blog using WPBakery and Super Bundle add-ins for WPBakery plugin. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.